Hi guys, for the CET and the CAT exam, I'm conducting the workshop at all these locations this week. So in case you are based in any of these locations, Aurangabad, Nasik, Delhi, Pune, Mumbai, or online, you can attend the workshop for CAT and other exam, CET exam. Hi guys, this made the headlines in the last 2-3 days after the CAT exam. CAT is so yesterday. Focus on the online MBA, this and that. So तो पब्लिक लाइक मैं क्या करूँ, जॉब छोड़ दूँ फिर मैं. So if I look at this trend, what is going on about this online MBA thing, so they have covered every newspaper, including Maharashtra Times, Times of India, every newspaper. So at one side, a lot of people are saying it's a brilliant marketing, yeah, but I believe they're targeting a wrong target audience, especially in India, going for an online MBA. Because I have 4 questions for people who are recommending online MBA. Number one, what about the people who've taken the gap year? See, if you have taken the gap year to prepare for MBA, for a betterment, a better job, online MBA is not going to provide you a job. Please. All the blue chip companies have a criteria. Are you a full-time MBA or you're a part-time MBA or an online MBA? So if you are a full-time MBA, you are treated separately. But if you are a part-time or online MBA, uska value is counted separately. There's no value for that. Fine. So जो लोग gap ले रहे हैं, almost 1/3 of the people who give CAT exam have taken the gap year. Fine. This is not their TG. People who are doing a low end job, IT company में coder ये वो, those who give the CAT exam for a betterment कि मेरे को 20 लाख का पैकेज मिलेगा, 30 लाख का पैकेज मिलेगा. Again, there will be no guarantee of that. 40% of the people in all the major MBA colleges are IT grads who have joined the college so that they can get a 15, 20, 25 lakh ka job. Online MBA will not give you that kind of a jump. Okay. कॉलेज स्टूडेंट, दोज आर इन फाइनल ईयर, ऑनलाइन घर बैठ के 2 साल की डिग्री लेके क्या करोगे यार. या सो कोविड में जिसका जॉब चला गया, ऑनलाइन एमबीए कर क्या मिलेगा. ओनली थिंग विच इज गोइंग टू सूट, whom is going to suit is people who have a stable job. For example, I have a few students who are already earning 15 lakh a package. They can't do a full-time MBA. People who are married, ladies who have kids to handle, fine, they can't do a full-time MBA. If you are 30 plus in age, you can't do a full-time MBA. Then going for an online MBA makes sense. Yeah. Then again, in that case, doing a part-time MBA from Jamnalal Bajaj or a SP Jain make more sense than doing an online MBA. Okay. क्योंकि एक प्रॉब्लम जो मेन है, जॉब नहीं मिलेगा, डिग्री मिलेगी यार बाबा. ये देखो ना, आप अगर उनकी एड्स देखो, सो दे आर डूइंग गुड एड्स. लुक एट दिस, माइंड ब्लोइंग. 10,000 में तुम्हारा MBA विद स्टार मतलब मे बी फीस इज इन पार्ट्स, वट एवर द फीस. सो स्टार्ट योर MBA फ्री द टॉप ग्लोबल यूनिवर्सिटी एट होम. इमेजिन आपने डाइकिन यूनिवर्सिटी या लिवरपूल यूनिवर्सिटी, लिवरपूल बिजनेस स्कूल से MBA करने के बाद आप कॉर्पोरेट में गए. आई हैव डन माई MBA फ्रॉम लिवरपूल बिजनेस स्कूल, गिव मी अ जॉब. ओह बेटा, तुम लिवरपूल से कब आए? नहीं सर, मैं तो डोंबिवली में रहता हूँ. वो डिग्री तो मेरे को ऑनलाइन मिला है. ठीक है. तो तो placement, end of the day, is all about placement. So you decide from a value adding point of view. Yes, all these have value. Fine. If CAT is so yesterday, then all these online program, part-time program are so last years. ठीक है, not yesterday, last years. उससे अच्छा एक से बुक पढ़ लो यार, MBA in a day. Trust me guys, you will learn more in this from this book than your 2 years of your MBA. वो भी ऑनलाइन MBA. फाइन, उससे अच्छा ये कर लो. सो इन दैट केस ऑल दिस प्रोग्राम्स आर सो yesterday. सो बेटा, जो कैट का फॉर्म भरा है, चुपचाप कैट के रिजल्ट की वेट करो. स्नैप एंड मैट CET का प्रिपरेशन करो. ठीक है, येस्टरडे हो टुमारो, तुम्हारा टुमारो बिना प्लेसमेंट के नहीं होने वाला. एंड ऑफ द डे, इंडियन MBA इज अबाउट प्लेसमेंट. ठीक है. बहुत लोग आके कहेंगे कि अरे प्लेसमेंट इज नॉट इंपॉर्टेंट, लर्निंग इज मोर इंपॉर्टेंट. बेटा तो करना 4 लाख की जॉब, फिर तू क्यों जा रहा फिर कैट देने. ठीक है. ऑल द बेस्ट. So I want to know from you whether this is a marketing. See, marketing, if you want to create a buzz, yes, this was a wonderful idea. Yeah, no doubt. This created a huge buzz. But when it comes to the actual practicality, I don't know. You have to tell me. Fine. Thankfully, they posted this after the CAT exam. CAT से पहले दिया होता ना, पब्लिक CAT देने जाता ही नहीं. 8 साल आप तो अपन यहीं जाएंगे, अपन तो लिवरपूल से MBA करेंगे. All the best.